Hey there, it's Bootzone here. This is a cheap lock that I've been using for maybe 8 years. This is a piece of copper with the end folded over on it, clipped and folded over. This is a piece of shim steel, a feeler gauge, 15 thou I think. It's a 25 thou one here. This is what it would have started life as. I put it on the bench grinder and just ground the tip off and down and around. I've been watching a lot of videos online of the lockpicking lawyer recently, and for whatever reason, well, I know why, I found some other padlocks, these master locks. I was tinkering with them, but then I thought, let's see what's around my house as a security device. In here there are some pins. All you do, so you just reach in, move them out of the way. So what I'm doing is rotating this clockwise with my finger. Now I'm no lock-picking lawyer. I've had this lock open twice from doing this. Heard a click there, alright. Just like that. I don't know what that took, about a minute maybe. I did it inside of the kitchen table when I wasn't filming it and it took 10 seconds. Wonder, can I do it again? And if I can, we'll try it on the other lock. This is an 8SEC security. It's a key-coded lock that I have. So I have a few padlocks that are the same. Really, the conclusion I've come to doing this is that this is just a deterrent. So let's say it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know if there's 5 or 6 in there. Start again. 1, 2. I don't know what number I'm at. Just doing it by feel. I'm right down in there now. You can see how far in I'm in. I heard a click there. Because of the way the lever is inserted here, it's not as easy to get access to the pins. There you go. So it took a bit longer that time, but let's try it on this master lock. This is a new lock. Found 3 of them in a skip in the pack with no keys. Obviously I've gotten one of them open, but you don't know that if you're just watching this video. So this could take forever, or it could be quite quick. You can see the first pin just there, that brass thing in there. I don't know if I'm meant to be pushing them down fully. I think I'm not. I'm meant to push them until I feel a click, and I think I'm a bit of a novice at this, really. So I've broken off the tip of my tool. I don't know if that's it there or if it's another one. Okay, well that's a good start, because that means that I'm gonna have to make another one. I think it's just stuck there, is it? So, how do I do it? So you make up a shape in your head. So all I'm gonna do here is put this up along the edge, drawing it like that. Just sweep the edge down into a hook, and I'll end up grinding away some of that hook. I want to take off everything up to the far side of that black line now. So in the end, this shim proved to be a little bit thick. It was difficult to maneuver it down there, and I faffed around at it for a good 10 minutes and didn't manage to get any of these other padlocks opened. So I'll potter away at it, and if you like this kind of video, and if you want to see me pottering at this kind of thing again and making some more of these little tools and trying to open padlocks, or any other kind of locks, let me know about it in the comments. Otherwise, thanks for watching. See you later.